steady, slow as she goes.
Hold your line, clearance is tight on the left. Easy now, easy. Easy now, it's swinging. Bring it up another 2 feet. Hold it there, watch the hatch. Harder, pull. Okay, it's moving, watch your feet. Okay, it's free. Take the weight.
Roger that. Slow lift engaged. Watch for falling debris.
Easy now, keep it steady on the port side.
All right, so clear the pedestal.
Watch the lines below.
Are you sure that's the right frame position?
Yeah, the diagram says cut along the vertical here. She's clear, take her up slowly. Roger that, coming up.
Look at the state of this actuator shaft. It's completely fused.
We'll need specialized tools just to break this.
I'm applying power to the compass now.
The glass fits perfectly on the wind instrument.
Watch the starboard side. Easy, easy, bring it down slow. Looks good, lock it in. All right, bring it in. Clear on this side. Settle it down, settle it down.
Maintain current temperature. I'm almost through the tech.
Copy that, moving outboard. Hold it. Easy now. All right, bring her down another foot. Looks aligned on this end, go ahead and tack it. Hold it right there, easy on the starboard side. Okay, we're set for tacking. Just a little lower on your side, that's level. Okay, holding it steady. All right, hitting the rivets now. Gel applied. Reading is 22.5.
Noted. The remaining plate thicknesses are well within requirements.
Easy, easy, bring it left. Left, got it. Watch the clearance on frame 7. Slowly now, watch the studs. Alignment looks good, set it down. Grab the impact wrench, let's get these secured. Easy now, keep it coming down slowly. Almost there, clear on the left side. All right, holes aligned, start the bolts. Easy on the hoist, keep it coming down. Looks aligned on this side, we have contact. Hitting the center bolts now, check your torque. Make sure that edge is perfectly straight. We need more tape on the upper deck. Mark that spot right there. All right, drilling the anchor now. We need it perfectly level before we clip it in. Okay, push it up on your side. Got it. Needs to go left a little. Watch the cabling above. Give it another quarter turn. That should hold it. Check the gauge, high side. Pressure stable at 5 bar. Looks good here. How's the bottom edge? Perfectly aligned. Go ahead and secure it. That looks incredible. The grain is beautiful. Let's check the swing. Smooth. What about the gap at the bottom?
Looks good. Consistent all around. Cables are secured. Applying bench power now.
Confirmed. Display is fully operational.
Align the bracket. Looks good. Give me the impact. Torquing the bolts now. Watch the cable run.
Entering the vessel parameters now. Beam, 16 meters.
Looks good, the connections are...
Testing main salon zone.
Confirmed. Loud and clear. Bridge is also good.
Hold it steady, mind the veneer. Okay, bring it down flush with the deck mounts.
Right on the marks. Starting the bolts now.
Check the level on the port side. Needs a quarter turn up. How about now? Okay, easy now. Watch the edge.
How's the overhang on my side?
Looks good. Let's set it down.
All right, easy now. Watch the plastic.
Okay, set it down gently.
Got the headboard ready. Stand clear.
Bring it down very slowly now, easy on the starboard side.
Okay, hold it. We are aligned with the mounts.
Easy now. Watch the edge on your side.
Looks good. Set it down gently.
I'll get the clips ready down here.
Okay, try the mast light now. Clear at the bow. Looks good, green, red, and the masthead are all solid.
Hit the test button on position 4.
Power engaged. Looks up. Make sure that's flush with the teak. It's tight. Go ahead and test the circuit. Okay, tighten the bracket now. It's secure. Power up the test beam.
Cut right at the mark.
There we go, the connection is secure.
And we have light. Looks excellent.
The alignment looks perfect from here.
Confirmed. No dark spots, even illumination.
Okay, how is this angle?
A little more to the left, we have a shadow here.
Perfect. That covers it.
Working scene confirmed, they're bright.
Roger that. Now switching to anchor scene.
Raise starboard side, 5 thousandths.
How's that look?
Perfect. Alignment is complete. Torque it down.
Confirmed. Zone 4.
Okay, lift point Charlie 9er confirmed.
We are making contact now. Starboard side looks clear. Confirmed. Almir shaft descending steadily. Keep an eye on those intakes.
Single up the last lines, then release.
Lines are clear. Bridge.